Many years ago, there lived three friends in a jungle: a deer, a crow, and a mouse. They used to share their meals together. One day, a turtle came to them and said, "I also want to join your company and become your friend. I am all alone,"
You are most welcome,
said the crow.
but what about your personal safety? There are many hunters around. They visit this jungle regularly. Suppose that a hunter comes to this area, then how will you save yourself?
"That is why I want to join your group," said the turtle. No sooner had they talked about it than a hunter appeared at that place.
Upon seeing the hunter, the deer darted away. The crow flew in the sky, and the mouse ran into a hole. The turtle tried to crawl away fast, but it was caught by the hunter. The hunter tied it up in a net. He was sad to lose the deer, but then he thought that feasting on the flesh of a turtle was better than remaining hungry.
The turtle's three friends became much worried to see their friend trapped by the hunter. They sat together to think of some plan to release their friend from the hunter's snare. The crow then flew high up in the sky and spotted the hunter walking along the river bank. As per the plan, the deer ran ahead of the hunter unnoticed and lay on the hunter's path as if it was dead. The hunter saw the deer from a distance. It was lying still on the ground. He was very happy to have found it again.
Now I will have a good feast today and sell its beautiful skin in the market,
Thought the hunter. He put down the turtle onto the ground and ran to pick up the deer. In the meantime, as planned, the mouse gnawed through the net and freed the turtle. The turtle hurriedly crawled away into the river. Unaware of the plot of these friends, the hunter went to fetch the deer for its tasty flesh and beautiful skin. The deer suddenly sprang up to its feet and darted away to the jungle. The hunter was shocked, his mouth agape. Before he could understand anything, the deer had disappeared, literally. Dejected, the hunter came back to collect the turtle that he had left behind on the ground in the snare. But he was shocked to see the snare nibbled at and the turtle missing. For a moment, the hunter thought that he was dreaming, but the damaged snare lying on the ground was proof enough to confirm that he was very much awake. Thus he was compelled to believe that some miracle had taken place. The hunter got frightened on account of these happenings and ran out of the jungle in no time. The four friends then started living happily in the jungle.